One year older, one year wiser, one year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright, knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way.
And my dear Greendalers, a very warm welcome to today's Kinderfest combined with Graduation Day and Buddy Day. So I will be explaining why this whole idea has been designed. Before that, I take this honor to once again very warmly welcome our chief guest for today's morning's function, Mrs. Jija Valsraj, a woman who so passionately accomplishes so many things. I think when Vanaja was reading out ma'am's profile, you must have seen how diverse the profile is. You know, managing their own business, which is Coastal Corporation Seafood Company, and then as pursuing her interests, which is fashion designing, and she has her own studio in opposite Grand Bay Hotel, which is called Om Studio, Om Creation Studio. And then when it comes to ensuring that the city of Visakhapatnam is always on par in terms of cleanliness and so many other aspects, she's never left any stone unturned to make sure that Swachh Bharat is implemented and taken care of in Vizag, and she's been one of the best ambassadors for Swachh Bharat in the city of Visakhapatnam. So this is something very less, and one thing I've been seeing her, she's a very dear friend of our correspondent, Dr. Vijay Ravindra ma'am. She's a family friend. We've all grown up seeing up ma'am, Mrs. Jija Valsraj, and one thing I haven't missed is seeing a smile on her face. You know how difficult it is to accomplish so many tasks, do so much, be busy every single day in different facets, being with an NGO and still making sure you maintain that smile on your face. And I thought, who better than ma'am for today's function, because here you all have come to celebrate, see the smile on your children, and as parents also, you know, managing your own things at home, managing your children. I'm sure you're working very hard in striking a good balance, and here is someone who has already done that so beautifully. She has 2 daughters and they're also into the business now. So I think it would be great to hear from her as to how she balanced this entire diverse profiles in her life. So let's give it up for her. It's not easy, ladies and gentlemen, being there for a function in the morning, being there for an NGO meeting in the afternoon and something in the evening. It's never easy. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being the wonderful woman that you are. You really inspire all of us. Now, for today, I would also like to extend the welcome to the buddies of our Greendalers. So school is something where children get attached to emotionally, also because they come here every single day, they spend a lot of time with us. And we thought when they are on such a special occasion, which is the graduation day of UKG, it will be nice if their own friends who are not a part of Greendale to come and witness this event. So that is why we have combined Buddy Day and Kinderfest. We made it a Kinderfest because you all know, dear parents, that you know at Greendale we always believe in creating events or coming up with ideas where parents and children spend quality time on campus. So we have the game stalls, we have the food stalls. So the stage show will get over in an hour's time. After that, your children will feel all the more special and they'll feel so happy when you are spending time with them on this campus. So every day you come to drop and you take them away at 12:30. But events like this is a platform for you all to, and the play zone there. So I think we have thought of everything that interests a child and we've created those spaces in this, and luckily the weather is very cooperative today. We are very happy about that. So spend good time with your children. Thank you for choosing Greendale. You will, in the UKG children going to grade 1, we will be giving you all a small heads up about how the grade 1 functions. And from my side, as usual, I can always assure you all that you will never be disappointed with Greendale, because every single day, we, the entire Greendale family, our team, we are striving and struggling to make each day a special day. Schooling is very important. Whatever they learn here is something they, the character builds here. So schooling is very important. The time that they spend in the school is very important. What they're learning during the schooling time is very important. And let's give it up for the beautiful set of teachers, the coordinator Sudeshna, all the pre-primary teachers for putting in pre-primary. With 1-2 children at home, we get so tired. Doing so many activities, making sure the entire program runs so beautifully. The teachers have to put in a lot of effort, and they might go back home at 3 o'clock because the school ends at 3:15 or 3:30. But after that also the work never stops, because post-COVID we have work groups, WhatsApp groups. The work is continuously on. And one thing I should appreciate about the entire set of Greendale teachers is they never say no to an idea or anything that we want to come up with. They're always positive, and you should clap for this. I think that is a great quality, and we really appreciate all the teachers. We keep regularly appreciating our teachers for the dedication that they give in, and they are very much a part of the school in terms of owning the school. So only when you have that ownership and passion, you can do you can do miracles like this. Otherwise, it will only be a regular 9 to 12 routine, and you go back home and you're not bothered about what is happening. So congratulations teachers, congratulations Sudeshna, the coordinator. Please come on stage. She's the pre-primary to grade 2. She is someone who really stands up for what is right, and she works very, very hard to ensure that children, the latest trends in kindergarten education is something that we work on a daily basis, and we bring into the curriculum and the program. So if you compare our program with any program outside or any school in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, wherever, you will know that Greendale is on par or even doing better than the other kindergarten schools. And one more thing I would like to specifically mention is, thank you for choosing a school which has space. That is where a lot of kindergartners are struggling, because they need space. They need space to come out, they need space to move around, they need space to come and play. So that is where we have a lot of space. But usually, people look at convenience. There's a school right next door, so I'm putting my child there. And you have come out of your comfort zone. So that is one thing I really like to appreciate about all of you. And I think we should all clap for the parents now, dear teachers. So thank you for taking this beautiful decision. And your children are our children, as we always say, and we will always take care of them. Anything?
Thank you, Divya, for inviting me to be the chief guest of this Kinderfest Graduation Day and Buddy Day. And I am so much attached to the school, more like an international school, because when my children were small, I sent my children to a boarding where they had space, where they could not only learn, but they could have overall development. That is what I see in Greendale. They have everything here. They have horse riding, they have swimming, they have yoga, you name it, they have it. And I have seen Divya grow. She's my daughter's friend. And I've seen them grow, and I'm so happy. She's not just running a school. She's so passionate about it. So passionate. Unless you have that passion, you can never do a good job. And I think every day she has a program coming. I ask her, Divya, how do you do it? So she said, no auntie, we want to be different. We like it. I want to be, do something different. I want to do this. I want to do every day she's having a program. That is not easy. She is a mother too. She has a small child. And I am always in awe of the next gen. They think so differently. They do things so differently. And they, you know, the way they think. I even had a program with the Geetam, where we had these children of 9th and 10th coming and it was a 10-week program. And I can tell you, the Greendale, we had 8 to 10 schools taking part in this. And Greendale school children were one of the best. The way they had answered the questions, the way my school days, my kindergarten friends, though I don't meet them daily, though I don't talk to them daily, but they have a special place in my heart always. So with these few words, I don't want to stop you all from seeing the program. I thank once again to all the parents and the teachers. You're doing such a wonderful job for taking time out and coming here, encouraging the kids, and doing such a fabulous job. It's not easy, neither for the parents nor the children. Nowadays, the children talk more than what we talk. Their questions is something we can't answer. So the patience which you all have to tackle them, and the teachers, what they are doing to run, to, as Divya said, to look after one child in the house is a Herculean task. But to see so many children and to look after them, hats off to them. Thank you once again. Please enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's indeed a pleasure to have you with us this morning. We will, oh, he's just 2.5 and he's going to school. Will he manage? How is he going to eat? Will he cry? So many questions in our mind. But I must tell you, parents, just relax, because your children are so happy. Nobody cries. They're all smiling.
LKG are here to make this event even more exciting. They'll perform a beautiful dance of graduation song Dynamite accomplished for us. Are you all ready to cheer for them?
Yes.
Let's give a big round of applause and welcome them. Thank you.
long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way.
Can we hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen? Very well done, boys and girls.
Formation takes place at Greendale. I wish all the little graduates a very good luck, and I assure you will enjoy and learn immense knowledge and gain solidity in your coming years.
Good morning, dear parents, respected principal ma'am, our chief guest, and my dear students and teachers. I'm immensely grateful to the Greendale School management, especially principal ma'am, for giving us the opportunity and guiding for pre-primary. The time a child steps into pre-primary from the mother's womb coming to the school, especially in the nursery, when the child is coming, the child is not searching for a teacher. The child is searching for the next parent. So I strongly believe on my nursery team. They make them comfort. They teach them the basic skill, how to come out of their home, and give them the motor skills which is required for the future development. When they are in the nursery, they will be well versed with their rhymes, their oral counting, and forward with the enthusiasm and commitment and share the vision for the future. Let's continue together. Your support and trust in our approach allow us to create a community where the learning is truly shared experience. Thank you for your continuous support. Speaking without any stage fear, own pace, mastering both the basics and more advanced concepts. One of the most rewarding moments for us is seeing our students today confidently. Isn't it, parents?
Yes.
Today the students, they are coming on the stage talking by themselves without any stage fear. That way, me and my teachers, we are feeling we have succeeded to 100-fold. The tiny tots when they were crying and coming to the school, now they are able to express their thoughts in front of the guest without any kind of stage fear. The speaking without any stage fear is truly a proud moment when they shine as they reflect their growth and the skills they have developed throughout the Greendale journey. I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to the Greendale School management, our correspondent Dr. Vijay Ravindra ma'am, our principal Dr. Divya Das ma'am for unwavering support. Your guidance, encouragement have been a source of strength that we are truly grateful for standing with us throughout the journey. Thank you so much, teachers, and thank you so much, parents, for everything. Thank you
For putting up this beautiful show.
Smile.
1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter. One step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter. One step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright.
for them, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. First prize. The second goes to Aditya and the third is won by Ishan. First prize goes to Kushal Raj. The second goes to Deepak. And the third is won by Ira Nandana. I repeat, the winners of the fancy dress competition. The first prize goes to Kushal Raj. The second is won by Deepak and the third goes to Ira. The winners of the rhymes competition. The first prize is won by Dikshit Krishna. The second goes to Sarayu and the third is won by Nihan Kartikeya. Can I hear it for all the winners of the nursery class, show and tell competition, fancy dress winners and also the rhymes competition. Of LKGA show and tell competition. The first prize is won by Hanve, second goes to Adya Dubey and the third is won by Vedansh. Can I hear it for the boys and girls? Ladies and gentlemen, please, I think they deserve it today. Can we continue clapping? The second, Dakshya, and the third goes to Mokshada. The first prize is won by Bhavishya. Second prize goes to Sri Adir. And the third prize is won by Bhavanya. I repeat, Bhavishya, Sri Adir and Bhavanya. Show and tell competition winners. First competition from LKGB. First prize goes to Shanno Mahal. The second is won by Bhavanya. And the third prize is won by Nihal Nandan. Of the rhymes competition, the first prize is won by Lishita. The second prize goes to Bhavishya and the third is won by Muhammad Naved. Winners of LKGB show and tell, fancy dress and the rhymes competition. Can we hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen? Hear it for the winners of the LKGB, ladies and gentlemen. The winners of UKGA show and tell competition. The first prize is won by Snehit Cheripuri. The second prize goes to Lucine Leo and the third is won by Nitin Prabhareddy. The first prize is won by Diyansh Ram. The second prize goes to Sidvik Vishwa and the third prize is won by Pavan Krishna. Can we hear it for them, please? The first prize is won by Adhikarla Sri Kameshwari Manvi. The second prize goes to Ashita Praharaj and the third is won by Vanshika. These are the winners of the UKGA show and tell, fancy dress and the rhymes competition. We now the winners of the UKGB. Children, I want all of you to UKGB show and tell competition. The first prize is won by Medhansh Mishra. The second prize goes to Anindya Sharma and the third is won by Nitvik Kola. Fancy dress competition winners. The first prize goes to Danshika. Second to Kush schooling, there is a little bit that I need to tell you all, yes. Begins at 8:45. We will be for 40 minutes. We will be having a short break for snacks, that is from 10:15 to 10:25. We will have 5 periods before lunch. Lunch break is from 12:25 to 1 o'clock. 1 to 2, the children will be going for their hobby classes. 2 to 3:10, we will again be having 2 periods. Punctuality is a must. Now music, handwriting, art and PT will also be inclusive in the timetable, in the regular timetable. And please remember that it's going to be a full day working. Now coming to the academics, the core subjects would be English, Maths, language that is Telugu or Hindi, EVS, computers, GK and value add. For English, we will be having a reader, a workbook, a grammar book and a notebook. For Maths, it would be a textbook, a workbook and a notebook. For languages, again, you would have a textbook, a notebook and you will also have copywriting for the Telugu. EVS, again, we will be having a textbook, a workbook and a notebook. For GK, we would have a textbook each. Now, for every lesson that is taught, it will be having an activity. A related video also will be shown to the students, learning by visualizing. Besides chalk and board, we would also use the other methods of teaching. Every week, the children will be having a CCA activity, which would be age and syllabus appropriate. Children would be having computer practical classes. Students will be taken to the computer lab and every child will be having a system to work on. Students will also be allotted houses from grade 1. That's the Eagle House, the Falcon House, the Hawk House and the Kestrel House. Every single day, your child will be marked on 5 categories. That is, signing of the almanac by the parents and the teacher every day, discipline of the child in the class, punctuality, uniform and presentation. If they're not sending you to the hobby class. And children love the hobby class. They enjoy their hobby classes. So for grade 1, we would have unpaid hobbies and also paid hobbies. The unpaid hobbies include skating, yoga, music, that is keyboard, art and craft, western dance and shlokas. And the paid Anindya Sharma, Danish Raj, Drupad, Arush, Pushwan, Medhaj, Nathan, Nitvik, Rudraj, Suhas and Vihan, all from UKGB.
Rudrans B section.
Students of the UKGB, the young graduates, all ready for formal schooling.
మరింత కాన్షియస్ ఉండక ఎందుకు నాకు డాన్స్ క్లాస్లో వాడు తెలుసు అన్నమాట. ఫోటో ఇది నాన్న వీడియో.
Now have the students of the UKGC, Chandrika, Joshnika, Kathleen, Keshwita, Vashmi, Shanvi, Shanvika, Sahasra, Sana Imran, Sudarshini, Aryan, Lakshit, Monish, Nuhan, Satvik Verma, Tanmay Ram, Viraj, Virat and Vishant Reddy. opportunities and experiences. As our young graduates step into a new chapter, they carry with them the lessons, friendships, and memories that will shape their future. Today, we gather to honor their efforts and growth and to celebrate the exciting path that lies ahead.
Say
A moment
thank you,
of
okay?
immense proud to the parents
Rudra,
and the
say thank
school.
you. Say thank you.
A stepping stone
Manchi
to
patko.
greater achievement. I would like to thank the chief guest for the day, Mrs. Jinja Valsanaj ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Divya ma'am, thank you so much. So as we have come to the end of
You wanna come? Come. Yes. Rudra. Rudra.